what if I told you mushrooms were the key to leveling up your tacos? I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious taco meat using the blend, which is a simple combination of ground meat and finely diced mushrooms. And who doesn't love a good taco? So let's get cooking. To make our taco meat, we'll pulse mushrooms and onion in a food processor until finely chopped. Next, let's heat up oil in a large skillet and add ground turkey. Crumble the turkey and cook for about 8 minutes until it starts to brown. Add in the mushroom and onion mixture, chopped red pepper, taco seasoning, and garlic. The addition of mushrooms not only stretches your food dollar, it also adds moisture and nutrition without changing the flavor of your dish. We'll cook this for another 5 minutes or so until the veggies become tender. All right, this looks great. Let's go ahead and add the tomato paste and diced tomato. We'll let that simmer for about 10 minutes so it has time to thicken. And now comes the best part, assembling and eating. I'm going to top my tacos with cabbage and red pepper slaw, cilantro lime crema, and of course, cheese. To find these recipes, visit bigY.com. Until next time, be well.